The title of this session is Inculcating Mindfulness, Body Awareness, Determination, Discipline, Diligence, Defense Acumen, Affinity, and Accountability for Safety, Self-Sufficiency, and Sustainability, or simplified to the acronym I Am Badass. Who, why, how, and what is this session all about? First, who am I? My name is Rose, and I'm an interdisciplinary professional, an architect, instructional designer, academic, and martial arts instructor. But most importantly, I'm a learnaholic and a teacherholic. In 2016, I conducted an empowerment workshop for IFWE, a fusion of Tai Chi, Taiko, and Tango. Then in 2018, I was invited back as a spotlight session speaker to share my life story. During my presentation, I announced that I would go on a year-long homeless and jobless globe-trotting adventure. It's now 2 years later, and I am here to share what I've learned since then. Who would benefit from this session? This session is designed to be inclusive. Anyone can participate. No prior knowledge needed. But participants are expected to come with an open mind and willingness to learn. Why is it important to be mindful and badass? Because you never know what's beyond the horizon. Life is never easy. Fate is seldom fair. Job loss, crash economy, racism, prejudice, corruption, politics, nepotism, cronyism, glass ceiling, family problems, personal problems, fatigue, depression, medical ailments, global pandemic, natural disaster, sheer bad luck. When your world is tipped over, you can barely think straight. Whatever the scenario, you cannot change it. The only thing you can change is your reaction to it. So what are the skills you need to protect yourself from life's challenges? How do you stay focused? When is it safe to let go? How do you maintain balance of body, mind, and soul? In theory, there are perfect ideologies. In reality, there is no perfect circle. We just adapt whatever we have in hand. But adapting is not easy. We have to remove our mental baggage. And even when we do our best, our intentions are sometimes misunderstood. Meanwhile, the world does not stop for us. We still need to get shit done. So that's why we need to inculcate mindfulness and to learn to be badass. How will we engage during this badass session? You will be guided through mindset molding activities addressing all three domains of learning. The cognitive domain, which we are most familiar with, your thinking capacity. The psychomotor domain, your physical being, which is usually taken for granted. And the affective domain, your emotional well-being, which is often ignored. We will engage in hands-on active learning. The cognitive tasks will involve visual, audio, and text-based interaction and production. We will explore cloud-based apps on your laptop and mobile phone. Depending on time availability, we will indulge in an energizer activity, borrowing principles from the ancient martial art of Tai Chi Chuan to scaffold our kinesthetic learning experience. Simultaneously, while we work on our bodies and mind, we will examine inward, checking our personal well-being and testing our self-motivation through role-play. What are the outcomes that we can expect from this session? By the end of this session, the target is for you to be able to perform a few basic physical routines on your own. You will be invited to OOPS, Open Online Professional Sharing, leveraging existing social structures for meaningful self-development. And you should be able to apply photojournaling in your daily life. And there you have it. I Am Badass, inculcating mindfulness, body awareness, determination, discipline, diligence, defense acumen, affinity, and accountability for safety, self-sufficiency, and sustainability. Looking forward to seeing you all online at the 2020 IFWE conference.